Andito po ako sa harap ng Chinese Embassy. Isa po sa mga well-informed sa case na to ay, ano pong pangalan niyo uli?
Andrea Aquino, they call me the Death Aquino.
Okay, ano din po si Noynoy Aquino, the president?
Pinsan po natin yan.
Wow.
Pinsan natin.
Pakiulit nga po, ang Spratly Island po, saan ang pinakamalapit sa 5 nation na nagkiklaim sa Spratly?
Pinakamalapit tayo sa Palawan.
Ayun.
125 nautical miles.
Okay.
Ang international law, they are not allowed 200 nautical miles.
Okay.
So ang lapit na nila.
Oh.
They are ready to drop 800 oil rigs.
Wow.
They have put in money for it.
Meron na bang United Nation resolution?
Yes.
Ano pong sabi ron?
The United Nations had in 2010 said that this is the territory and
Of
this
the
is what
Philippines.
belongs to the Philippines and China has no right to dig for oil or mineral resources because this is a very rich island.
Wow.
We have about 700 islands in Spratly.
Oh, wow.
Now, if there is oil 125 miles away from Palawan,
Correct.
they entered into the 200 nautical miles, and they have no right to do that.
So we have the rights right now.
We have to stand.
Correct.
We have to tell them, you cannot do this, you cannot bully us. We're just a small country, but this is our land, this is our seed, this is our oil.
Sino ho nagde-develop ngayon ng Spratly Island sa oil? Wala pa sa
The Chinese government.
Sila ang nagtatak.
Meron na nga silang oil rigs na nakahanda.
Correct.
Pinagawa nila sa Shanghai. They are actually moving towards the peace right now.
Grabe.
Kaya they're planning to drop the rigs within the month of July.
Wow.
So we need to protest.
Correct.
America is on our side, but we Filipinos have to stand for ourselves.
Very
We
good.
also have to ask the help of our neighbors, Brunei, Malaysia,
Vietnam.
and Vietnam, because they are going to be affected.
I truly believe, Ma'am Aquino, that God's favor will be on our side. Not only the United Nations will soon be on our side, but this will be the beginning of prosperity sa bansang Pilipinas. Ano po masasabi niyo ron?
Alam mo, talaga namang kailangan nating i-develop yon. Kailangan natin ng negotiation. We will do it in a very diplomatic way.
Okay.
We want a peaceful resolution.
Very good.
Okay? So we need to, as Filipinos, stand up for our country, and this is the time that, in the future, it will help our country as we develop here.
Very good. Thank you for your time, Ma'am. This is Dr. Jeff Capula together with Ma'am Aquino, reporting right here at the Embassy ng China. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. God bless you.
Sa consulate.
Consulate.